Hi, today I will show you how to create a new course in Admire. Let's get started. In Admire, go to School, Courses. This will open the Courses page. We need to first load the current courses. In the Search section, press Search. This will load all courses and will enable us to create a new one. Press the New button at the bottom of the screen. In the Course Info section, let's choose the relevant term, grade, which class, department, if relevant, subject, teacher, location, and code, if relevant, of the course we want to create. If we need to create a new subject, click the ellipsis button on the side. This will open up a window where we can add a new subject. Scroll down to the asterisk and type in the name of the subject. Click OK. You can also use the Smart Search when looking for the correct teacher. Press Save. Our course is now created. A prompt will appear asking if we want to set up marking elements for this new course. Pressing Yes will create a marking element named for the subject of this course. Marking elements are used for grades of the subject and will be shown on the student's report card. Creating a single marking element can be useful in a high school setting, where a teacher typically teaches one subject. However, if the grading will be on multiple elements in the course, for example, in a Gemara course where the Rebbe will grade for Kriya, Iyun, and Shakla V'Taya, or in an elementary school where a teacher will teach math, science, and English in one course called English, additional marking elements will need to be added for each specific element. These can be added later in the Marking Elements tab. Now we need to customize, set up, and change some settings of the course using the different tabs. In the Enrollment tab, let's enroll the students that will be taking this course. Click the New button on the right of the window. This will open the enrollment class, which will automatically call up every student in the term, grade, and class that we set in the Course Info section. Press the Refresh List button at the top right of the window to make sure everything is up to date. Select all relevant students. I'll select all and press Enroll. You will see the number of enrollments in red. Press Close, and all students enrolled will be populated in the tab. In the Additional Teachers tab, we can add support staff that are attached to this course, such as assistants, co-teachers, shadows, and substitutes. Press the New button on the right of the window. Here we can choose the name of the additional teacher from the drop-down menu. Choose the type that the additional teacher will be from the drop-down menu. If the teacher will be a substitute, check the substitute box and enter the dates that the teacher will be substituting for. You can also add the date by pressing the drop-down marker and selecting the date on a calendar. Press OK. The additional teacher information will be populated in the tab. In the Sessions tab is where we set the times and location of the course. Press the New button on the side of the screen. By default, the teacher and location are already populated. Add the relevant start time, end time, and days of the week. Press OK. The schedule information will be populated in the tab. If, for example, the course will be at different classroom on every Tuesday, or a different teacher will teach the course on every Wednesday, please open another window by pressing New and fill out that information. Press OK. The schedule information will be populated in the tab. Under the Schedule tab, you will see the courses entered into the calendar. As mentioned earlier, marking elements are used for grades of the subject and will be shown on the student's report card. If you need to add an additional marking element, Press the Add Edit button. By the asterisk, add the marking element and relevant data. Select whether this marking element should be included or excluded in the average of the grade. I will include it. Press OK. The new marking element will be populated in the tab. In the Test tab, we can create tests on the subject of the course. Press the Add Edit button. By the asterisk, add the marking element that the test will affect. In the Type column, choose whether this will be an assignment, quiz, or test. Enter the date of the test and add a description if necessary. Select whether this test should be included in the average of the grade. Press OK. The new test will be populated in the tab. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you accomplish this task. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for more Admire content. Thank you for watching.